And today, Ayush, what are we doing?
We are reviewing the MG ZS EV today.
Once in Britain, we actually have some good weather, so hopefully that's reflected in the footage, and that you'll be able to see that sometimes England has 3 days without rain. So here we have it, guys, the MG ZS EV. It's a nice family car. We've got a lovely blue colour going on here. You can see the charging point at the front of the car. And we do also have some LED lights to indicate how much charge that you've got in there. Not too much going on the front. Got the front camera, a bit of texture for where the grille has been replaced, because this car has been built off of the hybrid model. Moving on around the side of the car, we've got quite a pronounced front end of the car. It kind of sticks out, if you will. We've got some really good ground clearance, quite high up when we get into the car, and we're met with quite a nice firm steering wheel. We've got our twizzly dial just here to flick between reverse, neutral and drive. We've got our mode selector buttons here, so they're little toggles that we push forwards and backwards. We've got an array of different buttons. It leads to quite a simple display unit and quite a nice digital display up top. The digital display up front is set into the car, or set into the dashboard, which I'm quite a big fan of, as that keeps it shaded and there's quite a dark tone to it. Ayush did point out that the numbers and all the information, the kind of meat of the screen, are a bit small. So that is one thing to watch out for. A revolving compartment to unleash the potential of the cup holders, which seem reasonable sized. What I would say is this is a bit of a reach. If I was to turn back and to open that one up, it's a little bit of an awkward twist. So we haven't actually got any hydraulics to keep the bonnet up for when we're inspecting the front of the car. As you can see, there's no frunk, but it just leads way to all the battery information we've got going on here. Moving on to the back seats, let's give it a test of how comfortable it will be. So we've got quite firm seats going on here. We've got reasonable head clearance. I'm about 5'10", 5'11". It's quite a simple design in the back seats. You've got room for 3 passengers, and I think you could sit 3 passengers quite comfortably. We've got a port for a USB and a USB-C. So just above the USB and the USB-C port, we have some air ventilation. And we'll move round to the boot of the car. From first impressions, it's quite a minimalistic boot. Got some side compartments coming on here, but as I said, it's very minimal and very affordable.
The suspension is really soft. That's what I noticed while driving this car. About the steering, it's really light. It's actually really light.
Because you know I'm a bit obsessed with my steering wheel.
Yeah, I know.
By the looks of it, I haven't actually got my mitts on it yet, but it looks like an approved steering wheel, because this is the kind of car that you would be comparing to the Tesla Model Y.
Yeah, yeah, you can. It's the same segment car, but it's a lot cheaper than the Tesla Model Y.
A lot cheaper in the UK.
Yeah.
We've got manual seat adjusters.
No electric seats.
No electric
No electric seats. The steering wheel, so it goes just up and down.
Does it not come?
It doesn't come.
Backwards?
It doesn't come to the front. And
Okay.
Yeah, it just goes up and down.
And the impression I kind of got from this car that it wouldn't attract too much attention because it kind of blends into the background of everyday life.
Yeah, sun is like slapping me in the face right now.
It's a good slap.
How's the riding position?
The riding position, it is quite high.
It is high, right?
Yeah, I've noticed.
But you have a really good view. Do you wanna switch to sports mode?
Oh, sports mode. I don't know if I trust myself.
See this?
It's quite a big shift.
Quite a bit change.
Yeah.
It's a more
Eco mode.
aggressive.
Eco mode's got that heavy delay, or it's not actually that heavy. Even the eco mode's quite impressive. A point to note, I've just opened my window now, so it might be a bit noisier now, but the ride inside is like a vacuum. It's very noise cancelling.
Yeah, yeah, I noticed that as well. I can't hear the wind noise nor the road noise.
No.
So they worked out that really good. And the warning sounds, like when we change the lane or hazard in the front, the beeps. It's not really crazy.
No, it's not.
It's really
subtle.
It's really subtle, but it is enough.
Yeah, it makes you aware of what's going on in the car, but it's not too intrusive.
Yeah,
it's not like
it's not something. It's not something crazy. It's not the car is like shouting.
Yeah. It's not aggressive. It's just like, hey, look, this is going on. You know? It's quite a cool and collective car.
Yeah.
Hey,
you got a car
man,
up front.
you got a car up front.
Yeah, this car being targeted towards the customers that prefer something bigger than a sedan, cheaper than a Tesla Model Y, more efficient, have a bigger battery, have a good range, and to be a family car. That kind of customer.
That is the demographic.
I think they've well placed it.
So in conclusion, the MG ZS fully electric with a range of 273 miles and a 0 to 60 in 7.3 seconds. This car combines fairly impressive performance with comfort and with practicality. So the MG ZS is a VoltsMonster approved EV.